So welcome back, guys. Thank you. This is a tutorial. On this particular video, I'm going to show you this amazing feature I've been using to edit my photos. This is going to be the last class for the free photo editing class organized by Acee-Learn Education Enterprise. So now please watch attentively. If you need the link for to be given to you once you register for the course proper, I'm going to give you the link, the ads, or everything necessary for you to have this on your system. Now watch, this is a photo. It's a beautiful photo. The picture is okay, the camera shot was quite alright, but professional photographer, this is going to be a tool that has been used by photographers in editing your photos in the studio without you knowing. I think probably this has taken them time, but no, this thing takes less than a minute or seconds to do. Now how do we do it? We go to filters, we go to image dynamic. Now here 1 2 3 4, all these things are installed. We are installed by me, and then the links, purchases, and the rest we are all covered by the company. Now watch the first one, noise where. Watch what this thing does. Now if you look at the first photo, that is the original photo, you see is the way different from the second one. The second one is looking so real. I still have the opportunity to balance, to take more color or edit or do any other thing I want, but I can just say this is cool for me, and I click OK. Beautiful. This photo is looking smart, no spot, it's just looking as fresh as if it came out from the oven. Now Ctrl Z, taking it back. Let me show you the second two. Poster tree. Now beautiful. Just watch. This was how it was before, but look how it is now. This is so mad. You can reduce the fineness a bit. This was how it was before, but now look, just I don't think you're going to miss this thing for anything. Okay, now watch, look at this picture. Are you seeing how smart it is? Ctrl Z. I'm going to show you the next tools. Okay, don't worry, this one we're ready to make payment for it. Now this looks exactly like the other one, but the other one is an enhanced version of this. Now this is used in case you just want to touch that photo a little bit. Now watch, I see the difference. If I let the mouse go, now this is a old photo, this is new edit. Now I see touched it a little bit sharp. Ctrl Z, and then the last but not the least, I'm here to activate it, but I'm going to show you now. Thank you for watching so far. I really do wish you ask for these links, and then we'll send it over to you.